When the news announces a crisis, the store shelves will be stripped bare in under 3 hours. If you wait for the emergency to hit, you're already too late. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. And these are 5 prepper items that will be sold out during the next emergency. Number 1. 1-pound propane canisters. Everyone suddenly realizes they need to cook without power. These little green camping bottles vanish instantly. Number 2. Children's medicine. Fever reducers and painkillers. When panic hits, desperate parents buy out the entire pharmacy aisle. Get yours now. Number 3. AA and AAA batteries. The second the power flickers, people rush the hardware store. Buy bulk packs now before the shelves are stripped to the metal. Number 4. Plain bleach. Unscented bleach sanitizes surfaces and purifies drinking water. It will be completely gone on day 1. Number 5. Portable water filters. Bottled water goes first. Then the camping aisle gets rated for Sawyers and Life Straws. Secure your water purification today. Beat the panic buyers. Stock up today while it's cheap and available. Hit subscribe for more survival truth bombs, and I'll see you next time.